Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make cupcake paper cups at home. First, gather your essential materials: parchment paper, a pair of sharp scissors, and a round object such as a drinking glass or a cookie cutter. Make sure your parchment paper is food safe and can withstand oven temperatures. Next, measure the diameter of your cupcake pan's cavities to determine the ideal size for your homemade liners. Now, let's move on to cutting and shaping. Cut your parchment paper into squares, ideally about 5 inches by 5 inches for standard cupcakes. Place one square over the opening of your cupcake pan, or use a round object like a glass as a mold. Gently press the paper down into the cavity, carefully creasing the sides to form a cup shape. This creates the base for your liner. To perfect the shape, use a second, slightly smaller round object, like a spice jar, to press firmly into the center of your formed paper cup. This helps to define the creases and create a more stable liner. Once shaped, carefully place each homemade liner into the individual cavities of your cupcake pan. Double-check that they fit snugly and maintain their cup shape, ready for your batter. Finally, it's time to bake. Fill your newly crafted liners with cupcake batter, typically about 2/3 full, to allow for proper rising. Bake your cupcakes according to your recipe's specific temperature and time instructions. These homemade liners will help your cupcakes bake evenly and prevent sticking. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book about money, plus other deals. Enjoy your delicious, perfectly baked treats.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.